Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce from jar. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan, then add chopped onion and 2 cloves minced garlic and cook until soft. Pour in the jarred sauce, stir in herbs and a pinch of salt, and bring to a gentle simmer. Add any extras like cooked sausage or a splash of cream and simmer to blend flavors. To enhance jarred sauce, add depth with a splash of red wine or a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar while simmering. If the sauce tastes too sharp, balance it with 1 teaspoon sugar or grated carrot for natural sweetness. For a glossy finish and rounded flavor, stir in a tablespoon of butter or a handful of fresh basil leaves just before serving, and adjust salt and pepper to taste. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing in the kitchen during long sauce simmers and for everyday comfort. I love how durable they are, and they make a funny but practical gift for cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Cook your pasta until just shy of al dente, then transfer a cup of hot pasta water before draining. Add the pasta to the simmering sauce and toss for 1 to 2 minutes, adding reserved water as needed to achieve a silky consistency that clings to noodles. Plate with a generous grating of Parmesan and a sprinkle of fresh herbs to elevate the dish and enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.